Welcome, welcome. Wanna run come. This need audience, it need crowd. Yes, a news flash today. Guess what me see? Me tell you no say, me a prophet test. Yes, me the tell you no say, the one lady V there Jamaica, and it look like say she not go fire Sula. Yes, as somebody said the other day in it, and me hear the lady down a porty say another blogger gone sue her, but she not talk no further because she not get enough likes and views, so she hold back. She say until she get more likes. So me no know what is going in, yeah, pan at the corner there, but it look like say and that the Sula come from. So anyway, we go down to another little place and me look over the mountain and hope on the view. And when me see, and a lady V, me see her, it look like, me don't know if I up on the mountain or up on the view she go, but she go somewhere because she there with the lady in a picture. Yes, them take picture together. So me don't know what is going on. Me not wait. Me have to go wait and see. Maybe, but I'll work on something me and miss you lately. But wanna tell me, yeah, if I don't have the mountain or the view she go, but I mean there's somewhere. Me no the background no look like up at the mountain there, but Anyway, moving on, I wanted to think me not go talk about yesterday, but me never did get to talk about it. Me did go talk about the CMR and the and Christy situation. Yes, a lot of people they come over here and commented. Yeah, thank you very much. Normally me recap after but me no want to touch that again. Yes, it's just too much. Yeah. So then another thing me say I go on now is me see one Queen Africa woman address Marianne Hall, yes. And me did other day me did bump in a Marianne Hall's page and me did go over there go listen. And yeah, and she was talking and me was touched by her little thing that she not do over there. And her strength is in her songs, her ministry, the song them is, very much. Yeah, me like her song them. But anyway, the woman come out and dress her down because she was talking about breast and bottom and so say I want bottom and breast and whatever. But me did listen to that and she wasn't throwing, and I feel say she not throwing no shades at the lady. This is my opinion. And I feel say she not throwing no shade after Spice. And also me did see it. I feel she was actually addressing the situation because everybody was saying that she was dressing sexy. Yeah. And so she looked at like say she ready for dance and all that. So I think she was a more addressing that. I don't feel so she was throwing no shades. But this individual feels that she not sure after Spice and she was dressing her down and everything and so forth. Yeah, she was going on about it and saying, oh, so and so and so. But, the bit that the song that me thought was everybody just an anti-PS when me drop in at the place, she there, our lyrics them wicked, yes, wicked lyrics them, me I go say, yeah. So, and that me come for just say that it look like say, yeah, me prophesying they come to pass now, yeah. Lady V, I go do the Sula, yeah. So, anyway, fireman don't talk. Yes, I just little bit of news, fireman. I have enough time to spend with you. So, anyway, I'm out.